Welcome to BlackMuse, where you turn imagination into reality. We teach VR creation, 3D modeling, and game design, the very tools shaping tomorrow. Hands-on, mentor-led, and open to learners across Washington, California, and New York. Real projects, real portfolios, real career paths.
We got just everything you need. We're here to take the lead. It's not like anything you've seen. Yeah, you best believe. We are the answers to your dreams. We only guarantee. We got just everything you need. We're here to take
Hear it
the
straight from
lead.
our students.
Fun in the beginning. I like how we started off with like the actual VR and saw how to create the world, and also like how you gave us the freedom of making our own projects and all that. So that's pretty cool. That's what I enjoyed from it.
So at first I came to this program for student leadership, but I found something more than that. I found like something I can do and be creative with, and I can get like a lot of stuff from this. Like I learned so much using this world and like how creative I actually am.
For me, I really enjoy how like they give us like a good opportunity to create our own game, and like also the help that they were giving us staff and things together as well. They were helping us a lot, and I really just appreciate the opportunity, and I hope we can get more opportunities like this so we can like keep going, you know. So really thank you so much.
You met like
Yeah.
money.
Yes.
Nobody's
Put
good.
it that way. But yeah, I'm really thankful. Thank you guys.
Thank you all. All right, BlackMuse.net. Hey.
This program is so fun because we get to have fun and learn about different stuff in VR, and we were able to make our own game in this program. That's why I really like this program, and this is why I enjoyed in this program in summer school.
Something that I like about BlackMuse is that we get to hang out with our friends and do something fun that some people like.
So, what is one fun thing that you've done in BlackMuse?
One is do the VR and also try to create our own game.
All right, thank you so much.
I really think I really like this program and it's really fun. And I learned a lot to cut people's hair and how to be a doctor and how to be a dentist.
Ready to build your future? Visit blackmuse.net. Scholarships and payment plans available. BlackMuse, forging tomorrow, one world at a time.